Today I would like to tell you how to go to Yehliu GeoPark from Taipei. First step, take the Taipei subway, the brown train, get off this technology building. From the train station, turn left and keep going at the intersection, turn right. This intersection, okay, cross the street. Then when we turn right and walk towards this building, find this bus stop. Okay, cross the street, there's a 7-Eleven, and we are going to take this 1068 from where we are here to this park. This is Yehliu GeoPark. This is the bus 1068. Get on the bus and then be patient. This will take a while to get to the Yehliu GeoPark. The bus was in Taipei for about 5 minutes, then went on freeway. The bus is passing Keelung City. Yeah, we got off from this bus. And this is the bus stop. This, yeah, probably when we go back, we will take the bus from the opposite side over there. This is a in-house hotel. Total bus ride was about an hour. It only costs about a little bit over $1. This is a sign of this park, and we will go to that direction. That's a park. We are taking 1068 bus back to Taipei.